How to set up a training plan in EA FC 25. Now this is pretty easy to do. From the home screen, you want to come to the squad, and then you'll have a choice between team management, team sheet, squad hub, the training plan and development plan. So if you want to set up a training plan, the best thing to open up is obviously the training plan here. When you first load it up, sometimes we click through it quickly, but you can read about it here by pausing the video. Then all you need to do is select any of the training plans here. Then you want to give it how much threshold, and this is how much it'll concentrate on each different training plan. You want to confirm the values once you're happy with everything. Now this will go across all the team, but if you want to set up an individual training plan, press your left or right trigger to come to training plan here. Then select the player. So let's say Martinez here. Then you can change the different training plans for this individual player. So let's say energy focused. Then you select apply changes. Now Martinez will get a training plan which is based on energy focus. So that's how to set up a training plan in EA FC 25.